Psalm 6 is a heartfelt plea for mercy and healing, offering profound metaphysical insights into the nature of divine restoration. This study focuses on aligning with infinite intelligence to dissolve fear and sickness, inviting the light of wholeness and vitality into our lives. By meditating on the themes of this psalm, we can shift our consciousness from despair to the assurance of healing. Verse 1. O Lord, rebuke me not in thine anger, neither chasten me in thy hot displeasure. Metaphysically, this verse addresses the illusion that divine intelligence is angry or punishing. Infinite Spirit is never wrathful. Rather, it is our own misaligned thoughts that create discomfort. This verse is a plea to dissolve fear-based patterns and return to the unconditional love of the divine. Verse 2, Have mercy upon me, O Lord, for I am weak. O Lord, heal me, for my bones are vexed. Here, mercy symbolizes infinite love in action. Admitting weakness is not a sign of failure, but an acknowledgement of the ego's limitations and the need to align with divine strength. Bones represent foundational beliefs. Healing occurs when we replace erroneous beliefs with truth. Verse 3, My soul is also sore, vexed, but thou, O Lord, how long? This verse expresses the impatience and despair that can arise during sickness. Metaphysically, it reminds us to persist in our trust, knowing that healing unfolds in divine timing. Soul represents the deeper aspects of our being, longing for harmony and alignment. Verse 4, Return, O Lord, deliver my soul. O save me for thy mercy's sake. The plea for deliverance reflects a desire to realign with the divine presence within. Healing is not about fixing something external, but restoring our awareness of the perfection already inherent in us. Mercy's sake points to the boundless compassion of infinite love. Verse 5, For in death there is no remembrance of thee in the grave, who shall give thee thanks. This verse reminds us to focus on life, not the fear of death. Death symbolizes separation from the awareness of the divine, while remembrance indicates the power of gratitude to reconnect us with vitality and health. Verse 6, I am weary with my groaning. All the night make I my bed to swim. I water my couch with my tears. This poetic expression of exhaustion reflects the emotional toll of illness. Metaphysically, it invites us to release pent-up emotions and trust that Infinite Spirit transforms our tears into renewal and strength. Verse 8, Depart from me, all ye workers of iniquity, for the Lord hath heard the voice of my weeping. Workers of iniquity represent negative thoughts and false beliefs that perpetuate suffering. This verse is a powerful declaration that divine intelligence hears and answers our cries for healing, empowering us to release harmful patterns. Verse 9, The Lord hath heard my supplication. The Lord will receive my prayer. This affirmation of faith reminds us that Infinite Spirit always responds to sincere intentions for healing. When we pray with trust, we align ourselves with the flow of divine vitality. Affirmative prayer, based on Psalm 6. Infinite Spirit, I come to you now with a heart open to healing and renewal. I release all fear, doubt, and limitation, knowing that your infinite love surrounds and sustains me. I affirm that my body, mind, and soul are aligned with your perfect health and wholeness. I trust that all patterns of sickness are dissolved in the light of your presence. As I rest in your mercy, I feel my strength returning, my vitality increasing, and my peace expanding. I rejoice in the assurance that you have heard my prayer and are working in me, through me, and as me to restore my divine perfection. Thank you, Infinite Spirit, for the healing that is already mine. And so it is. This concludes the esoteric and metaphysical study of Psalm 6. May its truths guide you into the healing presence of the divine. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more studies on how to live your dreams by discovering the occult secrets of life.